Good morning, and what a morning it is. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to take the motorbike out for a ride today. It is actually I think on record one of the hottest days ever recorded in Britain. So it's I got up about 6 o'clock this morning, well 6:30, and it's even too warm for a t-shirt and shorts, so I'm going out completely naked today. And yeah, right, as if I'll do that. I may be crazy, but I'm not that crazy. I suppose anything to get a few extra views, eh? But we'll get ready now. I'm going to take a ride up to the Welsh Black Mountains. Perhaps in the descriptions I'll put a link on to what road it is. But really excited for this ride today. Well, here we are, folks. I've brought you today to the most gorgeous, one of the most gorgeous bike rides I know around in this area. It's in the Black Mountains. It's the A4069, I think. I will put a link in the descriptions just to be sure. And just look at it, absolutely stunning. And I got a bit of a confession. This is take two. I came up here a few weeks ago and the weather was horrific. It was absolutely stunning, actually, to be honest, when I left. But by the time I came out, it had just turned, it had. So maybe I'll put in a few little clips of my previous ride as well, and you'll see the difference. So loads of good sweeping bends here. I've come out nice and early on a Sunday morning, and just enjoy the scenery. It is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna expect to see some bike riders here today, I suspect. Always wary of the sheep as well. Just look at this, guys. So this is I think it's part of the Brecon Beacon National Park. It's the Black Mountains, but I think it's also part of that. Here's a fellow biker. How's it going? Lean into here nicely. A bit of positive throttle. Let's wind her up. Here goes. I am what I am. I am my own special creation. So come take a look. Give me the hook or the ovation. It's my world that I want a little pride in. My world, and it's not a world I want to hide in. Life's not worth a damn till you can say, hey world, I am what I am. Well, there goes, folks. That's as much as I'm gonna do. I'm absolutely cacking it. So I tell you what, I'm gonna dedicate that to someone. Apparently they listen to my channel a fair bit, and my niece was telling me about them. They live up in Leeds, and they always listen to my apparently they just like the sound of my voice. I don't know if they got any interest in what I do or not. A bit strange, but her name's Hattie, up in Leeds. I'll dedicate that one to you, I will. So come take a look, give me the hook. Oh, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Sorry guys, I apologise. Let's enjoy the road, eh? How's it going? Right. Oh, the ovation. Where would you rather be, eh? On a day like this. This is just absolutely stunning. Just look at the turns on these roads. Surprised, hardly seen anyone as well. Maybe it's because I'm just an early bird. 20 mile an hour. I think we're going to struggle to obey that speed limit, but I'll do my best. Mind you, sharpness on this bend, I think I will be not far off that. Yeah, the first day I came here, it was absolutely horrific, the weather. Oh, don't you cut that corner, matey. Oh, a few keen cyclists out here, fair play to them. I don't think the camera definitely doesn't give, when I've looked back, it doesn't give the true impression to sort of the steepness and the gradients of a lot of these roads. So I'm dropping down really quickly now. I've come up one side of the Black Mountains and I'm dropping down on the other side. Oh, we're catching someone up on a quad. So these are really sharp bends, and when I watch it back they don't look that sharp, but trust me, they are. So I'm just tickling it around nice and easy. Well folks, I'm gonna go, I think I'll say goodbye, because I just wanted to show you that little ride there. It's absolutely stunning. And alright, so and just use the usual support, you know, it's all appreciated, and I'm gonna make a big effort. I really am gonna try to upload a lot more videos and keep the interest going. So until the next time, just remember to subscribe and like my videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. I was gonna sign off, but there's such stunning roads around here, I just had to film a bit more. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's lovely sweeping curves, absolutely biker's dream, I gotta be honest. So I'm sort of just heading now towards the Brecon town, I'd say, rather than Brecon Beacons.